Hello, and welcome to the Center for Legal Information. You'll use the center to complete your in-house research exercises. Let's take a tour of the center's library resources. The center is occupied on 3 floors, from top to bottom, second floor, first floor, and ground floor. The entrance to the library is located on the second floor. You can identify the locations of the library director and faculty library and offices, research materials, computers, and other important resources from the floor maps that have been provided to you. Although a certain level of noise is expected while working on your in-house exercises, we do ask that everyone help maintain a quiet study area once the exercises are complete. Here's a map of the second or entrance floor. You'll notice features such as the reserve collection. Shelves on the second floor are designated with an S for second floor and an accompanying number. For instance, S4 stands for second floor, fourth shelf. Here's a map of the first floor. You'll notice collection features such as corpus juris, as well as the offices of Professors Glenser, Wilkie, and Chavone. Shelves on the first floor are designated with an F for first floor and an accompanying number. For instance, F10 stands for first floor, 10th shelf. There is also a map of the ground floor. You'll notice features such as the treatise and legal periodical collections. Shelves on the ground floor are designated with a G for ground floor and an accompanying number. For instance, G72 stands for ground floor, 72nd shelf. Here we see shelf designations for the second floor. Notice the designations are located at the top corners of the ends of the shelving units. This picture shows floor designations for the first floor. Finally, we see an example of ground floor shelf designations such as G26. The center's homepage includes lots of helpful information, including a link to services for students and the School of Law catalog. The Services for Students page includes a link to first year information. The first year page contains maps of library resources by floor, wireless computing information, directory of services, and e-reserves details. The major collections on the second floor include Pennsylvania primary and secondary materials, reference collection, circulation desk and reserve collection, computers, and a high-speed scanner. Here's a picture of the circulation desk and reserve collection located near the entrance to the center on the second floor. The reserve room contains course reserves, case books, selected past exams, computer cables, and study room keys. The center maintains a collection of course reserve materials submitted by the faculty. These materials include past exams, textbooks, faculty reading materials, treatises, and videos. Materials are available at the circulation desk and may be checked out for a period of 2 hours. Here we see computing clusters located on the second floor and accompanying print release stations. The center's high-speed scanner, pictured here, is located on the second floor and includes print, email, and download options for your documents. The front of the first floor includes a computer lab and adjacent printer room, allowing wireless and Lexus print jobs. You also find secondary materials such as Corpus Juris, American Jurisprudence, and American Law Reports. Digests such as American Digest, Decennial Digests, Federal Practice Digest, 2 copies of the Atlantic Digest, and the Southeastern Digest. You'll also find case reporters such as the Supreme Court Reporter and the Federal Reporter. The back of the first floor includes library faculty offices of Mr. Baru and Mr. Rao, Law Review and additional student publications offices, the Atlantic Reporter, state statutes including Pennsylvania located on F59, as well as New Jersey, New York, Maryland, Rhode Island, Maine, Kentucky, and Georgia located on F39 through F40. The Bridget and Alfred Pelaeth Legal Writing Center, and the Instructional Lab, room 130A. The reading room, pictured here, is located on the first floor. Additional quiet study areas located on the first and ground floors of the center. Carrells have electrical outlets. The computer lab is located in room 118 of the first floor. The print management room is located in room 117 of the first floor. Corpus Juris, pictured here, is located on shelf F1. American Jurisprudence is also located on F1. American Law Reports, 1st through 6th series, as well as the federal volumes, are located on F2 and F3 of the first floor. The Atlantic Reporter is located on F21 through F23. As mentioned earlier, the state codes, laws, and statutes of Kentucky, Georgia, Maine, Maryland, New Jersey, New York, and Rhode Island are found on F38 through F40. The Instructional Lab is located in room 130A. The Bridget and Alfred Pelaeth Legal Writing Center, pictured here, is located on the first floor. The ground floor contains a number of important features including treatises or the classified library book collection, Broughton Computer Lab, a seminar room, periodical collection including law reviews and accompanying finding aids, collaborative group study rooms. The treatise collection begins on shelf G1 and is arranged in Library of Congress call number order. Another important feature of the Center's website is the Legal Research Databases link, listed in alphabetical order, numerous electronic subscription resources for Duquesne law students. 2 of these databases, Hein Online and LegalTrack, are helpful for finding and accessing articles and other information found in legal periodicals. When accessing Hein Online, be sure to select the Law Journal Library link. The Legal Research Databases page includes a link to Westlaw Next, a comprehensive online legal research resource which we will highlight in upcoming presentations. Broughton Lab is located adjacent to shelf G1 on the ground floor. Additional ground floor study tables, pictured here, have electrical outlets available nearby. All 8 collaborative study rooms are equipped with 55-inch LED screens for multimedia projects. High-definition monitor input connections are located on the wall underneath the monitors. An HDMI cable or adapter is required to connect a laptop, iPad, iPhone, or other device. An assortment of these cables are available for checkout at the circulation desk. Here's a picture of a typical study room. The seminar room is located on the ground floor. Our professional staff is available to offer legal research assistance at the Research Help Desk located on the second floor of the center from 8 a.m. till 9 p.m. Please stop by or call 412-396-1698. Professor Frank Liu, pictured here assisting students with legal research, is the director of the Center for Legal Information. Mr. Sagai Baru is the assistant director for public services. Dr. Joel Fishman is the assistant director for lawyer services. Mr. Sproles is the reference librarian at the center. Finally, Mr. Rao is the associate director of the center. This concludes our tour of the Center for Legal Information. Best wishes on your upcoming exercises, and we look forward to working with you.